Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 8 quadrilaterals exercise 8.1 question number 4. Show that the diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now this is a square, so let us write what is given to us. Given a square ABCD. Now see, we have to prove here three things. Let us read the question once again. Show that the diagonals of square are equal. So AC and BD are the diagonals of square. So we have to first prove that the diagonals are equal. That is AC is equal to BD. And bisect each other. That is they bisect each other if they are intersecting at O. So second thing that we have to prove is AC is bisected by BD, that means OA is equal to OC, and BD is bisected by AC, that is OB is equal to OD. So secondly, we have to prove that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This is the second thing. Show that the diagonals of square are equal, first, and bisect each other, second, at right angles. Third, they bisect each other at right angles. That means they are bisecting each other at right angles. That is, the angle between the diagonal is 90 degree. So that is, we have to prove AOD is equal to COD is equal to BOC is equal to AOB, and they are 90 degree each. So these three things actually we have to prove in this question. So let us start our proof. So first, to prove the first part, I will take DAB and CBA. So I'll write in triangle DAB and triangle CBA. So we have AD is equal to BC. As ABCD is a square, so all sides of square are equal. So AD is equal to BC. So reason is all sides of square are equal. Then we have AB is equal to BA, that's common. And then we have, as this is a square, so each angle is 90 degree. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, each 90. Therefore, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA by SAS, right? Side, angle, side. And therefore, BD is equal to AC by CPCT. So we have proved the first part, that the diagonals are equal. So let us start with the second part. Now to prove the second part, I will take in triangle AOB and triangle COD. That means I am taking this triangle and this triangle. Now in these two triangles, we can see, as it is a square and square is a parallelogram, so we have these two angles are equal. We can write this angle as angle 1 and angle 2. They will be alternate interior angles. And similarly, I can write here angle 3 is equal to angle 4. They are also alternate interior angles. And now AB is equal to CD. Reason is all sides of square are equal. So we have these two triangles are now congruent by ASA, angle, side, angle. Now when they are congruent by CPCT, we have OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. See, since angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, so sides opposite to them, Side opposite to angle 1 is OB. Side opposite to angle 2 is OD. So therefore these two sides are equal. Similarly, OA is equal to OC. So they are equal by CPCT. So we have proved the second thing, that the diagonals bisect each other. Now come to the third part. We have to prove that each angle is 90 degree. At O, we have the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Now for this, we will take in triangle AOD and triangle COD. We have OA is equal to OC. This we have proved here. So we will write proved above. Then we have OD is equal to OD. This is common side. So common. AD is equal to DC. Sides of square are equal. So these are the sides of square. So we can write triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by SSS. So therefore we have angle AOD is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Right? These two angles are equal by CPCT. But you can see they are linear pair of angles, and linear pair of angles are supplementary. AOC, AOD plus COD is also 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. So, AOD is plus AOD. COD is also AOD is 180 degree. Twice of AOD is 180 degree. So, AOD is 180 by 2, which is 90 degree. AOD is 90 degree. COD is equal to AOD. It will also be 90 degree. And these two are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, BOC will be 90 degree and AOB will be 90 degree. Or, so we can write it directly, angle AOD is equal to angle COD is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle AOB equals to 90 degree. So, therefore, so we have proved all these three parts. So, we can write from 1, 2 and 3. We can say that diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles.